Have you ever wondered why spicy food makes your mouth burn and your body sweat? From hot sauce to spicy noodles, people around the world love adding a kick to their meals. But what happens to your body when you eat spicy food? Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand and share with others. The heat in spicy foods comes from a compound called capsaicin, found in chili peppers. When you eat something spicy, capsaicin binds to receptors in your mouth and throat that detect heat and pain. This sends signals to your brain that you're experiencing something hot, even though the food isn't actually raising your body temperature. This is why your mouth feels like it's on fire, and why you might start sweating or your nose might start running. Your body is trying to cool down. Eating spicy food can do more than just tingle your taste buds. It can also benefit your health in several ways. For instance, it might help lower your blood pressure. A study on Chinese adults found that women who regularly ate spicy food had a 26% lower chance of having high blood pressure compared to those who didn't eat spicy food. This might be due to capsaicin, which can help counteract the effects of a high-salt diet, often linked to high blood pressure. But remember, you don't need to overdo it. Even moderately spicy food can have benefits. Spicy food can also be good for your heart. Research has shown a link between regularly eating spicy food and a lower risk of death from heart disease and stroke. People who eat spicy foods often tend to have better cholesterol levels, higher levels of HDL, the good cholesterol, and lower levels of LDL, the bad cholesterol. Capsaicin in chili peppers might help improve these cholesterol levels, thus benefiting heart health. Another benefit is that spicy food can help you feel full and satisfied sooner. This can prevent overeating and help you maintain a healthy relationship with food. The strong flavors of spicy foods can make meals more enjoyable and satisfying, which might help you eat less overall. Eating spicy food might even help you live longer. A large study found that people who ate spicy food more than once a week had a 12% lower risk of dying from any cause over a 10-year period. Capsaicin might help prevent obesity and related diseases like type 2 diabetes. It may also provide antioxidants and improve gut health, protecting against various diseases. While the benefits are enticing, it's important to consider the potential downsides of eating spicy food, especially if you have certain health conditions. If you suffer from acid reflux or gastroesophageal reflux disease, spicy food can make it worse. Spicy foods are known triggers for heartburn and can irritate the stomach lining. So, if you have these conditions, be cautious with how much spicy food you eat. People with digestive conditions like ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, or irritable bowel syndrome should be careful with spicy foods. Spicy foods can trigger symptoms and cause discomfort for those with these conditions. It's always a good idea to monitor how your body reacts and adjust your diet accordingly. If you're new to spicy food, start slowly to avoid any digestive issues. Here are some easy ways to add a bit of heat to your meals. Chili oil is a versatile condiment made from oil infused with chili peppers. It's great on eggs, noodles, and vegetables. Try adding it to a spicy cucumber salad for an easy start. Kimchi is a spicy Korean side dish made from fermented vegetables. It can be bought at Asian markets or made at home. It's delicious with rice, noodles, or soup. The fermentation process also adds beneficial probiotics to your diet. Pickled onions and jalapenos can add spice and brightness to your dishes. They're a tasty addition to many meals and are easy to make at home. Simply pickle your favorite vegetables with some chili flakes or slices. Keep a bottle of hot sauce on hand to easily spice up your tacos, rice bowls, or eggs. There are many varieties with different heat levels and flavors, so you can experiment to find your favorite. You might have some questions about eating spicy food. For instance, research shows a link between eating spicy food and a lower risk of heart disease. Spicy foods can help improve cholesterol levels and lower blood pressure. However, if you have a stomach bug, spicy food can make your symptoms worse. But if you have a cold or congestion, spicy food might help clear your sinuses by breaking up mucus. Chili peppers are rich in vitamin C, which is good for your immune system. Capsaicin might also promote a healthy gut microbiome, but more research is needed. Starting slow is key when introducing spicy food into your diet. Begin with peppers that have less capsaicin, such as anaheim, ancho, poblano, or jalapeno. These peppers provide a gentle introduction to spicy foods without overwhelming heat. Add small amounts of spices to your dishes and gradually increase the quantity as you become more accustomed to the heat. This will help your taste buds adjust and allow you to enjoy the flavors without discomfort. Combine spicy foods with cooling ingredients like yogurt, sour cream, or avocado. These can help balance the heat and make your meals more enjoyable. Explore cuisines that use spices in unique and flavorful ways. Indian, Thai, Mexican, and Korean dishes often incorporate a variety of spices and can introduce you to new ways of enjoying spicy food. It's important to listen to your body and understand your limits when it comes to spicy food. Pay attention to how your body reacts and adjust your intake accordingly. If you experience discomfort, take a break from spicy foods and gradually reintroduce them once you feel ready. Spicy foods can play a role in weight management. Capsaicin has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat burning. It can also reduce appetite, helping you eat less and feel more satisfied. Including spicy foods in your diet can be a flavorful way to support your weight loss goals. Fresh and dried peppers each bring unique flavors and heat levels to your dishes. Experiment with both to find your preferred taste. Dried chili flakes, for example, can add a quick and easy kick to any meal. Creating your own spice blends allows you to control the heat and flavor of your dishes. Combine spices like cumin, paprika, garlic powder, and chili powder to create a versatile seasoning for meats, vegetables, and more. Balance the heat of spicy foods with sweet, sour, and savory elements. Adding a touch of honey, lime juice, or soy sauce can enhance the overall flavor profile and make your spicy dishes more complex and enjoyable. Spicy food can be a delicious and beneficial addition to your diet. From lowering blood pressure to boosting heart health and aiding in weight management, the potential benefits are significant. However, it's important to be mindful of any digestive issues and to introduce spicy foods gradually. By experimenting with different spices and flavors, you can enjoy the heat without overwhelming your senses or your stomach. So next time you're in the kitchen, don't be afraid to add a little spice to your life. Whether it's through chili oil, hot sauce, or pickled veggies, there are plenty of ways to enjoy the benefits of spicy food. Just remember to start slow, listen to your body, and savor the flavors that spicy foods bring to your meals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Watch more videos by clicking on this video right over here.